Hello friend, today I'll show you how to create an Instagram account. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and follow my YouTube, follow my Facebook page. Let's start, friend. So first you have to open your Instagram's apps from your mobile phone. Then click on the you can see the image and click on the bar here, and you will come your profile. And second image, then we will go to setting and privacy setting. Okay, setting and privacy setting, and then we'll go to the business tool and control. Okay, then we business tool and control, then we'll go to setup shop. Some profile have you cannot find this option. Only Instagram business account or professional account only have this option. So if you have a normal account, you have to convert your account in a business or professional account. Okay, then you will find the shop setup option. Okay, then we'll go to get start. Then uh, then you have to input here your uh, business email here. And I hope you have also a business manager account. It's connected from your Facebook. If you don't have any Facebook business account, so you have to create ones. Okay, so then after fill up this section, you have to click the next. Then next page will create your shop, and you have to upload your product here. And this is the process. And sometime Facebook told you to create a account in your commerce manager. So you need two account: Facebook business manager account and Facebook commerce account. If you have any question about this two accounts, comment below. I will make another video, and I'll show you both. And you must have a website where customer go and place order. If you don't have any website, you cannot create Instagram apps, Instagram shop. So I hope you understand this process. And if you need any help, please contact my contact information is in the description box. I hope you will communicate. I will help you. Okay, thank you. And please subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook page. Thank you.